Hello guys, welcome back to another video. And today I will be reviewing another product. This is the one which is electric screwdriver. I have that one before, which is from the Waqas brand, but this one is not working anymore. Buttons are clogged and somehow I try to open it and fix it and it start working, but now it's completely dead. So I had to order one, so I bought this one, and this one is electric screwdriver with 28 in one, like it has 28 bits like the other one. We have this one, you can remove it and put new ones, but let's open this one. When we open this box, see, this how the box is, and it contains, like, this is a screwdriver and all the bits here. And let's check everything that we have. This is the stick, and it, let's see its shape. This is the ring light. It turns on when you're using it, and these are the button for driving this screwdriver in clockwise and anti-clockwise. And we have all the bits, different types of bits here in the box. We also get the user manual, but I opened this one before, so that's why I'm sharing this one. Let's see what's in the box. Oh, that's the power cable. This is the power cable we have, and one opener inside it. So these are the things that we get. It's a type C because the screwdriver is type C, so we can charge it. Nowadays everything is type C, you know that. So these are the two things we get in the box. With a cable, we can charge it. Just put this back right here, and this is the tool we have. I think this is a small box, and this is these are the two magnets which are for magnetizing and demagnetizing these bits. When you are picking up the screw, you can just magnetize it, and if you want to drop them and don't want to magnetize this, you can just connect with this demagnetizer, and it will not pick up any screw. So these are the things that we get. On the other hand, the Waqas, the older one that I was using, it has more bits than this one. Like, it comes with these three, and it has more bits inside it. But I bought this one. I think this one is more cheaper, or maybe I have the bits, so no worries. We can use these ones, and that one we have. Let's try to. I charged it before using it. When we charge it, this light will turn on, and when I press this button, it will turn on this ring light. When I press it, as you can see, the light is turned on. When I press it again, it turns off. So when you are unscrewing anything, this is what the light looks like. So let's put one bit and see it run or not. So I will press this button, and you will see this bit will start rotating. Yes, it's pretty good, working pretty good. You can open your laptop and cell phones with it, and small electronics, especially when you are opening the PS5 or PS4. There are a lot of screws inside it, so you need these kind of things, otherwise your hands will get tired. And this is pretty good addition in the collection to work smoothly. So thank you for watching this video, and subscribe my channel, and hopefully I will bring more products to review in the future. This is precision electric screwdriver mini version, and comes with LED light, USB Type C, and lithium battery inside it. And what are the things that you can open? Smartwatch, cell phones, controllers, laptop, printers, and maybe drones. They just give the example, and this is pretty comes in a pretty good box. So thank you for watching, and please do subscribe my channel.